Adams. And they're here, of course, to celebrate with us the birthday of dear Mojo Franz, a.k.a. Love With Me. And hopefully they'll, perform for us a few songs to entertain everyone. Palamakin mo po natin, Moy Moy Palaboy! Yeah!
Good morning, good evening.
Happy birthday, Franz.
Happy birthday, Brad!
Franz, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Franz. Franz, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Franz.
Franz, happy birthday.
Franz, happy birthday.
Franz. Happy birthday,
Ano
Franz.
gagawin natin?
Ay, mo ko!
Sige,
kaibigan natin si Franz.
Ang tagal na natin ng awitin.
Kaibigan natin si Lakusing.
Oo.
Kaya tayo nandito. So, kataka namin, okay lang.
Tama.
Sige, sige, sige. Ano tayo? Paano ba ito?
Sige. Ako na to. Napakabihirang kantahin din. Ang hirap. Gusto na ako dapat If I ever had a life living that way, I'll be there.
We were both young and I first saw you. I covered my eyes and I saw you.
Torete, torete, torete ako. Torete. Patingin-tingin, di naman makabili. Patingin-tingin, di makanood ng sine. Wala namang pera, kundi mamatay. Pambili ko lang ay pambili ng dalawang sosiyaw. Every year, so I say, final birthday. Ay, bakit naman? Ba't naman my way?
Palakpakan niyo naman si Franz, happy birthday.